Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to change the message that you show to customers when a certain postal code or zip code is blocked using the Ultimate Postal Code Blocker app on Shopify. So this app basically what it does is that it allows you to block postal codes and zip codes that you don't want customers to ship to on Shopify, because basically on Shopify, even though their functionalities are very, very advanced, uh, especially on the shipping department, it's still lacking on blocking postal codes and zip codes specifically. So this app allows you to do exactly that. So we have another video, separate video that shows you how to set this up exactly. So today we're just going to talk about how to customize the message that you show to customers. It's basically the message that shows up and blocks the customer from checking out, and usually like the default message that basically that Shopify shows is very generic, and you might want to customize it to fit your brand message. Okay, so of course, so first you have to download the app and install it. We have a 1 month free trial for you to get everything under how you to run this. So once you have this installed, you have this open, you go to the apps and go for Ultimate Postal Code Blocker. So once you open it, you get this very simple screen to get everything set up, and to change the message and see what happens is that it's right here. You just go for I wish to personalize the message that customer sees when the postal code is blocked. Okay, so you just check this out, and you see you see a preview of the message. So this right now, this shows in the default language of your shop. Right now we're using English. Okay, so so you can see it's shipping not available. We're gonna be shipped to a selected address. So if you do customize it, you just go here, go on this button, just click on change, and so a new pop-up shows up for this. So basically, this is a disclaimer that kind of goes through what happens exactly when you change this message. So the first part says that basically, like the message that you see here, it's also used for other parts of, of the checkout system. So basically, like let's say if there's a state that you don't ship to, this message also appears for that. So be careful when you change this message. Like it will also appear for other cases. So that's why we recommend changing to a message that doesn't become very specific just for postal codes. And the second part of the disclaimer is that basically this message is changed on the theme level, so it's not in the app itself. So when you actually go change the message, we take you to the exact location that you need to make changes to. So because of that, if you decide to uninstall the app in the future, all the changes that you made here for the message, they're kind of gonna stay there. They're gonna stay there. So that's why we kind of tell you to, if you do want to install the app, you should change the message back to its original before uninstalling the app. Right? And that's really easy to do, by the way. So once we get all this, we can go and say I understand the implications of changing this message, and you just have to click these two links. Here you have the title, which is this one right here, and the message, which is the bottom right here. And yeah, you just go ahead. And while this is loading, so what we have also that you can do is that, like usually a lot of bigger stores, they also like you also have multiple languages. So we also have this option included right here. So just take this. Once you take this, we'll start loading in all of the other languages that your store might be set for. So we have German, Spanish for this one. You have the English one right here. So all you have to do is just go ahead and change it here and click save. That will save it for each language as well. So there we're just gonna focus on the English one. So we're back to the title. So here you go. So you can see shipping not available. It's this one right here. So all you have to do is just like go ahead and change it. Like we won't ship to your region. And there you go. So all you have to do is just hit save right here. Alright. And same thing for the message part, which is down here. You just go and click that, take you there. And yeah, so once you're done, just click done, and then you just refresh the whole thing, and it'll show up. Okay. And you can test this. You can test this out at the checkout yourself. That's the best way to see like if everything's running correctly. So you can just go into the online store, click the view button right here, and you just add something to the cart, and then you go ahead and test one of the postal codes you set up for, and see like what happens exactly. So yeah, so like once you open this back in, you see we don't ship to your region. So there you go. So basically, how do you change this back to its original form? It's very easy. So you just go back to change and click on this, and you just go back to where exactly the app takes you. And there you go. And then all you have to do is delete it, and then Shopify will revert everything back to its original. So it's very easy to do. And yeah, you just hit save right here. And so yeah, so that's about it. Thank you for your time. So and hope this app will be useful to you.